Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum friends, this is artist Rabia. Today we will learn about the content aware and content aware move tool. Guys, you can see here I have two images. I have this image and this image. I have downloaded this image from unsplash.com. You can download this free from there. Guys, first of all I will show some of the properties of this rectangular marquee tool. You can see if you want to duplicate any of the layers, simply press Ctrl J is the shortcut key to duplicate any of the image. So you can see here I have duplicated. Now I'm going to make here a box like this. And guys, if you want to fill any of the foreground color, this is foreground color and this is background color. If you want to fill the foreground color, then the shortcut key is Alt backspace. You can see this foreground color black is filled. And if you want to fill the background color, the shortcut key is Ctrl backspace. See, but if you want to have the dialog box right here, simply press Shift backspace. You can see a fill dialog box is appeared right here. You can see you have foreground color, background color, color, content aware, pattern and many others. You can select any of the color from here. For example, I'm going to select this yellow color and hit OK. Here you can see you have transparency, opacity option, normal and these overlay options and preserve transparency option. I'm unchecking this, hit OK. Guys, you can see this. You can fill any of the colors like this. Guys, you can see now I'm going to duplicate the layer with the help of Ctrl J, and I will show you how you can remove this man from here. With the help of lasso tool, simply select this and make a rough selection like this. And if you press Shift backspace, the fill dialog box will appear, and with the help of content aware, simply fill here. Press OK. You can see the man is removed very easily. You can see this was before and this is after. See, wow. Now I'm going to delete this layer and I'm again duplicating this layer because I want to move this man from here to here and I want to increase its size. So you can see if I go here in the spot healing brush tool, you have this content aware move tool. If I make a rough selection of this and I drag this from here to here, you can see I increase its size. You can see I had increased its size. Now commit current operation. You can tick on this commit transform and it is filling. It will automatically transform your this picture into that picture. So guys, you can see I have transformed this. Wait, this was before and this is after, but I have this distortion here, so I will just fill this with the help of this clone stamp tool. I'm taking my clone source from here by pressing Alt and I'm going to fill this. See guys, this is filled very easily and you can see now this is before and this is after. Now you can see I have this picture. I want to remove this man too. I'm pressing Ctrl J to duplicate, and with the help of this lasso tool, let's make a rough selection. And by pressing Shift backspace, you can see I've clicked on this content aware and hitting OK. It is transforming and it is filling. You can see guys how easily this is removed. This was before and this is after. Isn't it so cool? You can also remove this tree for sure. So guys, hope you had learned how to use the content aware and content aware move tool. You can see if I go here into the content aware move tool, you have these upper properties here too. I will just tell these afterwards in the upcoming videos. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.